What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the Ryan's Radar Free Chart Analysis. It is the last day of the week and the last trading day before the holidays. So, just a fair or update, I should say. We are not going to be coming back to the charts until Tuesday. So, I will not be doing a chart analysis until Tuesday night. I will upload then. We're going to be taking Monday off for Christmas and we'll get everything restarted back up for the last and final week of the year, guys. We have been pushing through, and I think 2024 is going to be one of the best years for every single one of us that is paying attention and is tuned in to what is happening around the world and what is happening in Forex, because there's a lot of opportunity that is going to be coming everyone's way. And I believe if you take the time now to do the work and make this thing work, it's going to pay off for you massively. So, with that being said, let's get into what we're looking at for tonight. So, EURUSD, GBPUSD, they're both bullish. Both pairs, we are looking for price to continue their moves up. The only question is, how does it want to do it first, right? So, we have some opportunities where we are looking for price to shoot down. And we have two zones where we have the 1 hour and 15-minute demand zones here matching up with the potential of being in between the 50 and the 200. And then we have one down in here where this matches up with the 1 hour and 4 hour and 200 moving average, which is also lined up with the 1 hour imbalance here, giving us a solid area of interest that makes a lot of sense. Where if price shoots down, then we're totally going to be looking for buys. So the only thing that we're looking at this very second that most people are probably thinking is what's going to happen right now, because it looks like it's going to be a continued shut up. So I'm not one to just take trades that are going to be straightaways anymore. I used to try to do that, all that stuff, but most of them turn out to be stop hunts. So what we're going to do is if this thing pushes up, it most likely will hit this 15-minute zone, come back down, and then we will see price reject one of these areas here and back up. So ultimately, the simple form is look for a stop hunt low, then look for your entry for a buy. GBPUSD, same exact thing, but this is in a unique position where we are seeing price in between a range of a 4 hour support and a 4 hour resistance. And it has respected these zones throughout time. So ultimately, because of the fact that yesterday it retested in the middle of it, I want to see price continue in that direction. And price at this very second is giving us equal highs, leading me to believe that one of two of these is going to play out. Most likely this one, where we're going to see price shoot up hard during Asian London session, hit these supplies, come back down, retest the demand that it's going to be forming while this push up is happening, for an added confluence of the high of day from yesterday and the 15-minute demand that's going to be formed, right? Or potentially the 1 hour as well. When we get that, we'll see price shoot up hard. So this is something that I'm looking forward towards. We have a bunch of news, so I will share this. At 1 a.m. Central tomorrow, we have four red folders, four high impact news for the GBP. So for those of you that are going to be trading London, be on the lookout, because we're going to have a lot of movement. And then during the New York session, pre-New York session, we have a lot of dollar news. So we have personal income, durable goods, spending, orders, export, transport. It's going to be a lot of crazy stuff. So just expect heavy movement in the market at these times, and we can do pretty well if we capture in the right spot to finish off the last day of the week before Christmas. So for those of you that are trading live, maybe you have a prop firm or whatever it is, make this your last great day, and maybe you guys can get some money in before the holidays and before the new year ends up, and we can really rock and roll this thing. So you guys do your thing, stay safe, enjoy the weekend, and happy holidays, Merry Christmas to those of you that celebrate, and we'll come back next week and really kick this last week off of the year the right way. Peace out, guys.